Welcome to the next video. Guys, you're crushing it, you're killing it. I hope your day is super amazing, and I can tell you why it's already amazing. You woke up today, baby. That's it. Okay. Okay, so we're going to be talking about how to build confidence when you feel like you have none. And that's so important because I wish I had this when I was in middle school and in high school. Even now. Now I know exactly what to do. But when I was younger, I definitely wish I had this in my tool belt. When I didn't feel confident at times, when I had to go present something, when I had to go put myself forward to make a relationship, to speak with someone, to make a new friend. You gotta have confidence. That's the foundation of who you are. So, the first way to build extreme confidence is getting clear on what the hell confidence is. What do you want to be confident on? Again, if you want to be something, you have to have a clear picture of who that new version of you is. So, get clear on that word confidence. Do you want to get clear? Do you want to get confident on presenting? Do you want to be confident on making new friends? Do you want to be confident on your appearance? Do you want to be confident how you portray yourself? Do you want to be confident going to work? Do you want to be confident making sandwiches? Do you want to be confident getting your grades done and being proactive? What do you want to be confident on? You have to define, describe, and decide exactly what it is you want. That involves being confident. And number two, you got to ask yourself why. Why? Why do you want to be confident in that specific field? Why do you want to be confident in that specific skill? Why? What would that be worth to you? If you could see yourself achieving that, what would it look like? And how much would it impact your life if you were that confident version of you? And then number three of getting clear on that word confidence, you got to form a battle plan. And this battle plan is the work instills the worth. The work instills the worth. If you do the work enough times, you're going to have proof that you can do it. And then no matter what happens, you believe ultimately that you will get it done. You start trusting yourself more because your actions match your words and you keep doing the work. Okay? So first, get clear on that word confidence. That's so important. What do you want to be confident in? Totally describe it. Get clear on it. And then ask yourself why. And then finally, have that battle plan. Keep doing the work many times. If you want to be more confident in running in track on the track team, outside of practice, what you should be doing is practice more. Run around that track. Well, what specifically you want to get more confident in running around the track? Maybe doing the mile. Okay, you want to do the mile? Like how many minutes you want to do it? Do 6-minute miles. Okay, 6-minute miles. Boom. Now how are you going to attack that? Well, what I can do is, I can do sprints here, I can do this, and you got to actually do it. And then when you do the work, and when the actual track meets come, you're fully confident you can do it because you've done it before outside of practice. The work instills the worth, man. It's that simple. Again, it's not easy though. The work instills the worth. You start to feel more worthy. You start to feel more confident because you trust yourself. Why? Because you've done it before. You have proof you've done it before. And then the last one. Consistency leads to confidence. So if you made your battle plan and you're taking action and you're doing the work that instills your worth and builds your confidence, you got to be consistent at it. Again, everything in life is a skill. You could say there are qualities of being funny, being romantic, being likable. Again, but those are skills though. Because let's say right now you stop using it, you lose it. If I stop using my right arm, I'm going to lose it. Why? Because there's no more function in it. There'll be no more blood. There'll be no more use of it. So what you don't use, you lose. You got to be consistent at it. So to be even better at that track meet, to build that confidence even more, when you feel like you don't have any, you got to keep training multiple times. It's not a one-time thing. It's a skill you constantly repeat and build over time. So let me go over those 3 things again of how to build confidence when you feel like you have zero, none, zilch. Number 1. Get clear on that word confidence. Well, what does that mean to you? What do you want to be confident in? Number 2, have that battle plan, that action plan of doing the work because doing that work instills your worth. It builds your confidence. And number 3, to fortify that confidence and to add to the work, you have to do it consistently. Because if you do it 1 time, that's great. You do it 3 times, that's even better. You do it 10 times, you're absolutely killing it, man. You're crushing everyone. You're going to smoke everyone. You're going to outwork everyone, outdo everyone because you've done it more consistently. So those are the 3 ways that I use to build my confidence, even when times I don't feel like I have any. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, do whatever the hell you want. Have a blessed day because you woke up today. See you later.